Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best mailbox wall mount option currently available on the market, the KYODOLED wall mount mailbox. With its impressive blend of functionality, durability, and sleek design, it earns its title as the best mailbox wall. Let's start with its standout feature, size. This mailbox is big, with dimensions of 15.7 inches wide, 9.9 inches tall, and 4.9 inches deep. It offers a large capacity that handles everything from daily letters and flyers to larger envelopes, small parcels, and even magazines. It's perfect for anyone who receives bulkier mail regularly or simply doesn't want to empty the box every single day. Now let's talk about durability. The KYODOLED mailbox is crafted from heavy-duty galvanized steel, meaning it's designed to withstand the test of time. Whether it's blazing sun, heavy rain, or snow, this mailbox won't rust or corrode. It's painted with a rust-resistant finish, so even years down the line, it maintains that clean, professional look with minimal signs of wear. Installation is surprisingly easy and hassle-free. It comes with 4 pre-drilled holes, all the necessary mounting hardware, and even washers to help the door open fully without scratching your wall. KYODOLED recommends placing it under a roof eave or porch awning for optimal protection from direct rain. But thanks to its thoughtful design, even if it's slightly exposed, your mail stays dry and secure. Now, let's get into those smart little touches that make this mailbox special. First, the sloped roof. It's not just for looks, it's angled to allow rainwater to drain quickly, preventing pooling and moisture damage. There's also a mute bar on the lid, which reduces the clanging sound when closing. It's subtle, but it adds a touch of sophistication and quiet convenience. On top of that, the kit includes adhesive number stickers so you can customize your address right on the box, and zip ties to give you more mounting options, like attaching it to a fence if that's your preference. This particular model is the black version, but it also comes in white, bronze, red, and green, giving you a nice range of colors to match your home's exterior. Plus, with a weight of just 3.44 pounds, it's lightweight yet strong enough to hold up against everyday use and environmental exposure. One key thing to note: this model is lock-free. So it's ideal for neighborhoods where mail security isn't a major concern, or for users who prefer fast and easy access to their mail without the fuss of keys. If you prefer a locked mailbox, KYODOLED offers variations, but this one's all about simplicity and ease of use. So what's the verdict? The KYODOLED wall mount mailbox ticks every box. It's spacious, weather-resistant, easy to install, thoughtfully designed, and looks great. Whether you're upgrading your existing setup or installing one for the first time, this mailbox is a solid choice that blends form and function effortlessly. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product link in the description. If you're ready to upgrade to the best mailbox wall out there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.